Welcome back to my channel. So today we are on volume number 4. Yeah, so today we're going to film volume number 4. And this look is going to be green inspired. And we're just going to hop right on into it. We're going to prime our eyes. We're going to use Juvia's Place concealer in shade 14. Y'all know the drill. Dot, dot. Okay, so we're going to use the Perception palette today by Shayla X Colourpop. And I'm going to go in with Culture. I'm going to go into our crease. This is going to be our transition shade. So now we're going to go in with Revenge. Focus that in the crease. A little thick, just a little bit, and kind of focus that more downward in the crease. Then we're gonna go with Played Out, and with that shade we're gonna focus that just on the outer, and it's a darker brown, so we're just gonna focus that. Now we're gonna go in with IE, and that is the green shade, and we're gonna put that on our lid. So you want to focus on the outer corner and blend that green, that IE, and that Played Out. Grab Revenge and kind of blend. So we're done with the eyes for now. We're gonna go ahead and put a little liner on. I'm not gonna wing it. I'm just gonna put enough on there, just, you know, just a thin little liner, and I will be back. Okay, so our liner is on. We're gonna go ahead and set our brows really quickly. Because I didn't do it earlier. And then it's time to prime. So we're gonna go in with our Milk Hydro Primer. To go in, y'all know, with our Too Faced Born This Way in Chestnut. To put on our concealer. This time we're going to use Juvia's Place's number 12. Come back, I'm gonna put my lashes or lash on. All right, y'all, so we're back. My eyelashes are on, and now we're going to blend out this concealer. And we're gonna go go ahead and take that Bye Bye Pores and dust. Just kind of sweep that under. We're gonna go ahead and get to baking. We're gonna use our Fenty in the shade Honey. Contour or bronze, really just gonna bronze. I'm just gonna use my Terracotta by Guerlain bronzer in shade 9 and 10. Go ahead and go in and contour our nose. Dust that off, so grab that brush and dust off. Go in with probably just tall today. With Trace Gold from MAC. And now we're gonna go ahead and put some lower lash line color on. So you can either grab your same brushes if you want, or grab a smaller brush. And I'm going to go in with Revenge. We're going to go ahead and put our mascara on our lower lashes. So we're gonna go in with our primer. So I'm about to do my hair. I don't think y'all want to see that. If you do, let me know. But I'm about to put a little something on my head, and then I'll come back and do my lips with y'all. Alright guys, so I did a little something to my head, and we're gonna just hop on and do our lips. Alright, so we're gonna go in with an oldie. We're gonna go in with MAC's Chestnut lip liner. Okay, and then we're gonna try, we're gonna go with this, let's see. That was Colourpop's Oououuu from Shayla. lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all guys later.